Hello everyone. In this video, I'll continue the further concepts of Unit 5, that is Unix System Communication. What is system administration? Who is a system administrator? System administration. It involves the management of the entire system, which ranges from maintaining security, performing backups, disk management, to providing reliable security to all the users. When I say reliable, I mean consistently performing the intended function without any degradation or the failure. So that is reliability. Okay. So the management of entire system, from maintaining security, performing backups, disk management, to providing reliable security to all the users. That is called as system administration. There is one person who manages all these activities, and that single user can be called as system administrator or the super user or the root user. Just like how Dr. Rajkumar, the iconic legend of Kannada movies, can be called as Varanata, Nata Sarvabhauma, Gana Gandharva, Karnataka Ratna, Kannada Kantirava, and many more names. Okay? Like that, our single user who performs all these activities can be called as the system administrator or the super user or the root user. Now, this system administrator must have in-depth knowledge of the components of the system. Only then he can administer, right? If he has the in-depth knowledge of all the components. Yes. Okay. And then the success and the stability of the Unix installation. It depends on the efficiency. Based on how efficient our system administrator is, based on that, the success and the stability will be dependent on. Okay. Next, let's look into system administrator's login. As I said earlier, system administrator is also called as a root user or a super user. Now, what if I'm not a super user? How to gain the status of a super user? Which command to use for it? All that we'll be talking here. First, let's look into system administrator's login. System administrator will be given a special login name, and that login name is called root. It is actually a default account and need not be created. So what about the password then? Password is set at the time of installation only. Okay. So now the login, you can see here, it is root, the login name. Okay. And then the password, it has to be given at the time of installation. Then you can see the hash symbol here. Okay. That indicates that you are a super user. Okay. So the root user's prompt is the hash symbol, and the non-root user's prompt is the dollar symbol or the modulus symbol, the percentage symbol. Okay. And then if you enter into the hash prompt successfully, that is, if you are a root user, then it takes you to the root's home directory, which can be either / or /root. Now, if you are not a super user, how can you gain the status of a super user? For that, you have to use the su command. Okay. As I've written there, you can see there. You can see S is for the super, U is for the user. Okay. So to acquire the status of a super user, you have to use super user command. That is su command. Any ordinary user can obtain the status of a super user. But how? He or she should know the password. Password of whom? Password of the super user. If you know this password, only then you can put this password here and log in. Using this su command, And using the status of the super user, you can become a super user. That is, any ordinary user can gain the status of a super user. So as you can see here, the dollar prompt is there. Dollar symbol. It indicates that you are a non-root user. But see, after that, you get a hash prompt. Means it indicates that you are a super user now. So the hash prompt indicates that the current user now has the powers of a super user. I hope you got this concept, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share my video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Akshata.